Hello, 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 everyone. Okay, looks like we are live. So, in this live stream, we will be building uh, the portfolio website. I am currently working on revamping my portfolio. So, yeah, let's get started, shall we? Portfolio website. I am currently working on revamping my portfolio. So, yeah, let's get started. Mm, Give me 1 minute and yep. Hmm. Mm, Give me 1 minute and yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see. So what I have done is to build the hero section, and also I have completed the navigation bar, which is completely responsive. I have to work a little bit more, but yes, let's see. Also, this is not what I want. Just refresh. Sometimes this 3D model is kind of finicky and do not render properly when we resize the screen, which is fine, I guess, because unless someone is a developer, will not do something like that. In okay, so there is the light and the dark mode toggle as well. So let's see. Let's go to component sections hero, and believe I can just make it a little bit more bigger. Yep, something like that. And so this is, hello there, my name is Indronil. So this is the container. Let's see. So there is a padding of 20, but because this is like this navigation bar is positioned absolute, so this padding isn't working anymore, I believe. So if I remove that and see, yep, that will be the thing. So we need some more padding. So p Uh, should we go with the section, or I can do like empty of 20, 20, 20, I believe 32, 32 might work. Yes, that looks a little bit nice. Let's see. Um, okay, nobody is here, but still. Let's see. Okay, so this is that. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. 20, 32, no, 36, 40. I believe this looks nice. This looks nice, you know. Mm, mm, mm. Hmm. Maybe the 3D model, I can hide that in the mobile view, but I really don't want to do that. Hmm. But still, let's see. Let's see. Uh, okay, okay. So this is one more thing is the H screen. There should be somewhere, yep, LGH screen, um, min H screen, and H full. We do that. Then scrolling, no. Okay, okay, I believe that looks good, but but in the components, shared call to action, these buttons are a little bit large. Hmm. Hmm. This button are a little bit large, so if we can conditionally do something like that, I believe that might be beneficial. If not, then uh, hmm, 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 hmm. 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 160 pixels. Yeah, that is good. If I do copy out this one, does this scrolls? Yes, it does. It does scroll. Right. So, okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Only one should work. Should do something about this button. Yep. Should do something about these buttons. Hmm. Might be in the call to action. We are setting up those to flex call. So if we just do flex, it's save. Not looking bad, I believe. And I believe this is good. Also, hmm, we'll have to set up the sizes depending on the screen size. So if see nobody is there, that's cool. That's cool. I don't want it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. So this is good. Now what I want to do is basically I want to add the about section now. So let's do that. But before that, just do a git commit. Uh, from hero section completed. Git push. Okay, see anyone? Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. And this should work again. This development server caches very rapidly. But one thing is I forgot is that this section and under this section, this div has the margin. I forget to remove the margin from the hero when it is large. The screen is large, so MD might be good. So MD uh, colon empty 0, and that should do. No, that shouldn't work. That didn't work. LG, that should work. Yep, this works. Okay, so let's create another section, name that out.tsx. Hmm, about, and then what we can do the fc to tell React, hey, it is a functional component, which is not needed basically, but still there are some benefits for the autocomplete and stuff. Okay, so let's do that. And for the about section, I would like to have two like columns, but I would like to have a heading component where the heading should belong to, and then um, hmm, heading should belong, right? So let's do that. First of all, something like mm, mm, okay, let's do that then. So it should be a section, and there should be an ID about. And inside of the page, let's go here and say about, and yep, there we go. And from the hero section, I would like to borrow some of the things, just like that. Like to borrow this and give the class name to that, and 0. Okay, so the about, we have the about section. One of the things which I really think we should be doing, this scroll bar, which I don't like, but still, let's see, we'll do that later. Okay, so this is our about section, and let's do it like this. So there should be some icons and also the text. Okay, so let's do that. So go to a div, and inside that we will have some icon. So let's see what icon we can use. So I am using Shatsion with Lucid React icons. Icons. Mm. Hmm. Lucid icons. So let's see. Okay, Lucid icons. Hmm. This is not something like person. something like that maybe. Or developer, nothing. Hmm. 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 Okay, like graduation cap, this looks good. Let's go with that for now, and if uh, we want to change that, we can change that afterwards as well. So let's do the graduation cap from Lucid React. Okay, just put that aside, and after that we can do a h2, and we can say about me. Save. Okay, that is good. And now what I would like to do is to extract this one. Okay, let's style that at first and then we'll extract that. Okay, so for this one, class name, let's get 2 just to have some spacing. And for this one, class name age of 10, width of 10. Okay, that looks good. And now in the from here, class name text to Excel. Okay. It's like to do something more, like 3XL maybe. Yep, that looks good. And font bold. Let's do that, and then let's add some color to that. So BG dash primary, if that works. Okay, that do not work. Not BG primary, but it might be text dash primary. There we go. And we can do items center so that everything is centered around. And I would like to have a some underline. All right, so border HB border oh, oh, primary. Oh, misspelled. Border. Yes, but the thing is the width of that isn't good. Right, so let's not do this. Let's not do a border because there might be some other things which we want to configure. Let's do a div like that. So that will be a self-closing div, and this should be like that. Class name and h2 pg dash primary. Okay, with full, I would say. Okay, that is not good. So what we have to do basically is to have another div and that, and we can move out everything into that containing div. Okay, so h2 is a overkill. H1 maybe. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, this is good. What we can do, by the way, we can have h2 let full, okay, width. So min width will be full, and width is oh no, wait, let's go with the maximum 96. Okay, and so we will not do something like that. bg gradient to right from primary to okay, let me check in the button. I have done something like that. Basically, I want this gradient here or something like that. Maybe may work too. So let's do it in the UI button, and I have added a custom button which is gradient to indigo 600. That might work. To indigo 600. Let's see. Yep, that looks good, I would say. And what we can do, basically, we can add some top padding, not padding, empty 2 maybe. Okay, this looks good. So this one I would like to have a separate component because that will be going through quite a lot. We will be using that quite a lot. So we will go to shared and then new. That will be section heading. .esx .afce. Nice. So let's see. Yep, there you go. And we'll cut this one. Control X, cut, and paste it here. Now this graduation cap would be, let's import that so that it should not give us some error. And section heading. Now one thing which we want to do is to get some props. So the first one will be, what is this basically? This is a React node, right? This is a component. So we want to get two things. One is the text, which is for us, which is, it is about me right now, and an icon. So let's do interface section heading props, do something like that. And we want icon, that will be React node because this is a React component. And one other thing will be the title, or yep, heading title. Why there is a space? Okay, heading title should be a string. Oh, not strong. Nice string. Okay, and we can use it as a generic here. Section heading props. Okay, and then we can destructure icon and we can destructure the heading title, and we can pass here the icon like that. Mm, a icon doesn't exist in type JSX explicit element. Why is that? Okay, let's do something like this. Heading title. That is cool, but why the icon isn't showing? Hmm, icon. That will be the graduation cap and heading title. About me. See, what is this error? Lucid icon is not. If I oh okay, there is a prop a lucid icon. So let's do something like that. Lucid icon. Okay, so if that makes sense, let's capitalize that on icon. Oh, what is that? That happened, and I icon unsupported server component type. Okay, should it be a client component then? Let's do why the caps lock is on. Client. Okay, this is not working for some reason. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Why I cannot pass that thing, right? Why cannot I pass that icon? Oh, okay, to icon. Still, functions cannot be passed directly to client components unless you explicitly expose it by making with use server. Or maybe you mean to call the function rather than return it. Huh, okay. If I do something like that icon and don't do anything like that. Okay, so this should be small icon, and this should be small I. And what we can do basically, we can just this icon. Let's see what happens. Icon. Mhm. Icon, something like that. Nope, not a chance. What is happening right there? Property icon does not exist on type JSF, which is an intrinsic element. Okay, and if I do save this, okay, so I want to pass Hmm. Something is happening right now. What? Mhm. Type. Mhm. Mhm. They are passing it to something like that. Icon react dot element type. Okay, let's do this. Let's submit that thing. Let's figure out the time type stand. You can do icon and icon icon like that, and then you can just do icon capital I, and you can do this to capital I, something like that. And we do that, nothing happens. Okay, if I do something like this as a component, then hmm hmm this is not. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Let's get rid of this one and get rid of this one as well. Just do something like that. Element type is invalid. Expected a string built-in components class function component but got an object. Hmm. Okay, let's not render that, and let's just on and heading title. Let's do that. What happens? Let's see what happens. Object about me. Mhm. Previously, I have worked with some other icon libraries, but each of the time they are quite like I can comfortably pass the icon to the particular one, but here I am not able to do that for some reason. Okay, in the about, so let's not call it like that and just give it that. Oh, that looks okay. This is not looking good, to be frankly honest, but are there any console logs? No, no, no. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do something like that. So let's do it like this. Like this, and let's see if we can render the icon to the screen. So not if that is the component, then just the oh oh no, icon should be enough. Yep, that is how we are able to do that. So let's do it now. Should be lucid icon. Let's remove that and icon heading props. So icons should be lucid icons, which is good. Just refresh. And icon is an element. So element. Okay. So I believe that's like this. Should be one element. Oh, apply, and then mhm, be the thing. Okay. What should be its type? Icon is any. So what is the type of icon? Icon is any. What is the type of this? This is the type of lucid icon. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Lucid icon. Yes, but lucid icon is not assignable to the type React node. Why is that? So this should be a React node, right? React node. If I do that, then everything should be fine. Yes, this is some TypeScript errors are happening, but now everything is good. Now what we can do basically, which I didn't want to do, like we have to do the class name here, which is fine, I believe, but still, if there anyway. If there any ways to do that, right up there, that particular. So if I do something like this again, it is not, it will not work. This is not working, right? This is not working. There is some, I believe there is some problems with this Lucid React package, because for the React icons, there is no issue. So, okay, let's do that. No, we don't need this one. Just need that. With 10 and text was primary. Okay, there we go. This is the section heading. Okay, now, okay, this is the section heading. Now what we can do basically, go to the about, and then let's do a div, and here we'll have two things, one image and one text paragraph. So I have the text paragraph with me. This will be this, so p, and then yep. Okay, this is not what I have expected. Why this is flex? No, 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 no. Let's remove that flex thingy. Item center. Yep. And now yep, this is what happens when you make changes. Hmm. So flex and flex dash call, I would say. Okay, uh, 8 maybe. Yep, looks a little bit good. Okay, okay. Mhm. And I need my picture, which I have. Let's do that in the download about pictures. So I will drag and drop into my public folder. This is my picture. So what we can do image from next image. Search the source will be slash png. What's that png? JPG. JPG. That was JPG. 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 And now height will be something like this one. Is the height and the width of this picture. Let's see. 526 times 701. So 526. That is good, but why it is still giving alt prop? Okay, alt should be there. Let's do that. Alt. I would like to have that a class name as well. The shadow, the yeah, that is a little bit of shadow. Shadow LG maybe. Okay. Now what we have to do basically do class name flex. Now the thing is, okay, so let's do another div, and I messed up in the paragraph, so let's do a p tag, do something like this. Okay, again we need more p tags. p, so let's do it right here. P tag, right, again. Okay, next sn. Oh, sn, not excel. Text secondary. 400. Yep, I like that. And MB of 4. Yep, I like that. So let's copy this class. Control C, paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here. Nice. Now I would like to add the image inside of the div, and there you go. This is looking good. Gap should be 6, maybe 10. Gap is 10. Flex 1. We do that now. We want to do this one into this one div. Okay. Where does the image go? Never mind. So width should be, I want to do it 2 by 3, not 2 by 3, 1 by 3. It should be 1 by 3, and two by 3. Okay. Enter. I'm not sure. Item start, maybe start looks a little bit good. Item start. Okay. Yep. That is it basically. Hmm. Hmm. But I'm not happy with the height and the width of that particular image, because this image is getting smaller and larger for no reason. So let's do it. Class name width of one, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, and this should be width of 3 by 5. Yep, this looks good, but let's see. But this height and the width of the image isn't proper, right? So let's do something like that. Height is maybe 400. Width is 200. Yes, I believe this size looks good, and we can do something like justify between this one. Justify between. Why that didn't work? Not sure about that, but yeah, let's refresh. Okay, why it doesn't work? Let me do this with sort of thing. 12. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah, justify between is working, but this width is causing some issues. So let's get rid of the width and see what happens. Okay, but the width has to be there. why this is like this, hmm image and so on. Let's try end. Yes, the thing will be this total width. Okay, let's do something like 2 by 1 by 5 now. 1 by 1/4, 1/4, and let's do it 1/4, and let's do it 3 by 4. Let's see what happens. Okay, this looks a little nice, but the thing is, a little nice, but uh, yeah, let's do it at max speed. Okay, that is not what I intended, but yep, let's see. I believe for today, this is good. We'll do some more things and stuff together, and then we can have the chat as well. So let's catch up in the next one. I am planning to have a live stream every day. So let's do that. Okay, one person is there. Do you have any questions? If so, please comment it out. Okay. Okay then. See you soon then.